Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class 1. In maths, today our topic is counting in tens. Today we will read page number 30 and 31. After watching this lesson, students will be able to understand tens and ones numbers. To understand what number does the abacus shows. So students, are you ready? Let's get started. Here we have to find that how many tens and how many ones are there. Write in the boxes. Look, there are 1, 2, 3. 3 stack of tens, which means 3 tens. Then there are 1, 2. 2 ones. 3 tens means 30 and 2 ones means 2. Now add them. 30 plus 2 equals to 32. Now there are 1, 2. 2 stack of tens, which means 2 tens. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 ones. 2 tens means 20 and 5 ones means 5. Now add them. 20 plus 5 equals to 25. There are 1 stack of 10, which means 110. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. 110 means 10 and 9 ones means 9. Now add them. 10 plus 9 equals to 19. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stack of tens, which means 40, and there is 1 1. 4 tens means 40 and 1 1 is 1. Now add them. 40 plus 1 equals to 41. There are 1, 2. 2 stack of tens, which means 2 tens, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 ones. 2 tens means 20 and 8 ones means 8. Now add. 20 plus 8 equals to 28. Now here are 1, 2, 3. 3 stack of tens, which means 30. Which means 3 tens. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 ones. 3 tens means 30 and 6 ones means 6. Now add. 30 plus 6 equals to 36. There are 1, 2. 2 stack of tens, which means 2 tens, and there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 ones. 2 tens means 20 and 9 ones means 9. Now add. 20 plus 9 equals to 29. There are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 stack of tens, which means 4 tens. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 ones. 4 tens means 40 and 4 ones means 4. Now add 40 plus 4 equals to 44. Now here is another question, and that is, which number does abacus shows? Write in the boxes. Look, here is an abacus. Tens rod has 1, 2, 3. 3 beads, which means 3 tens. And ones rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 beads, which means 5 ones. Now add 3 tens and 5 ones, which makes 35. Abacus shows the number 35. Now in this abacus, tens rod has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads, which means 4 tens. And ones rod has 1, 2, 3. 3 beads, which means 3 ones. What does 4 10 and 3 ones makes? 4 10 and 3 ones makes 43. In this abacus, tens rod has 1, 2, 3. 3 beads, which means 3 tens. And ones rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 beads, which means 8 ones. So what does 3 tens and 8 ones make? 3 tens and 8 ones makes 38. In this abacus, tens rod has 1, 2. 2 beads, which means 2 tens. And ones rod has 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads, which means 4 ones. So 2 tens and 4 ones makes 24. Now this abacus shows 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 beads on tens rod, which means 4 tens. And ones rod has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 beads, which means 9 ones. So 4 tens and 9 ones makes 49. Now in this abacus, tens rod has 1, 2. 2 beads, which means 2 tens. And ones rod has 1, 2. 2 beads, which means 2 ones. Now 2 tens and 2 ones makes 22. So students, that's all about today's lesson. Hopefully you understood today's lesson. Now your homework is to attempt page number 30 and 31 on your countdowns book. Hope you all will do well. Thank you.